Welcome back, YouTube. It's old Chevy 4x4, and just in time for some Cast Iron Wednesday, I'm breaking out the rocket stove. Now, this is long overdue, guys. It really is. I made this past spring, and it's just been sitting in my shop, sitting there idle. So I figured, why not fire it up, get a nice little skillet heated up on there, and cook us up something to eat. Alrighty, while that little skillet's heating up, we're gonna get our main course going here for our little lunchtime snack. That's right. I'm gonna throw in just a smidgen of bacon grease. Gotta have some bacon grease, right? Here comes the magic. Oh, that's right. We gotta have a vegetable, right? Potatoes. In old Chevy 4x4's world, potatoes are a vegetable. They have a green leaf, they grow in the ground, they're a vegetable. I don't care what anybody says. Here we go. Just like that. So we can call this a Cast Iron Wednesday, but we're also going to call it a Learning Wednesday, because it's the first time I've tried cooking on this rocket stove, and I've learned another valuable lesson. The first time I tried burning it, I learned one, a design flaw that I had, and now trying to cook on it, I've discovered another. When I set a skillet on top here, it chokes off airflow out of the stack and starts redirecting out of the feed tube. It's not good. The skillet doesn't get hot enough, and the wood burning, the wood feeding it, burns a little too fast. So I got to raise this up maybe ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch, somewhere around there, to where it lets the heat go up and it kind of gets around that skillet just a little bit better. But overall, guys, for as hot as it is, I've had a blast. It's been a good time. Always good to spend an afternoon outside just screwing around, cooking over a fire. Cheers. Cheers to you guys. Let's try some of this lunch, shall we? Well, without further ado, let's try a little bit of this, shall we? And it looks good. It's going to be hot. Piece of Spam. A little potato. Give you a nice close-up of that. Look at the deliciousness. It's going to be hot. It's going to be good. Guys, I've said this and said this. You got to enjoy the little things. Even something so simple, sitting outside in the sunshine, tastes so much better cooked over a fire. Even when you're aggravated at yourself for your design flaws, lunch tastes better this way. Alrighty, I'm sweating. I'm trying to rehydrate. It's not working out too well for me. Cheers to you guys, as always. Thank you very much for watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments and all that good stuff. Y'all do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching. 6 or 7 more months from now, I might actually show another video of this when I've modified it and made it work just a little bit better. Got to save a little bit for my dedicated helpers here. Because, they deserve a little bit too. Clyde. Here, Clyde. Clyde's not going to answer. Olaf's going to get it. I don't want him coming over here. He's dirty. He's got dirty feet. Come here, boys. Come here. Olaf, come here. You got to come here so we can see you on camera. There you are right there. Oh, you got sniped by a little beagle. Alright. Enough of that nonsense.